Hello everyone, my name is Runjun Modak and welcome to a YouTube channel All Agriculture. Today we will be discussing the topic mitosis and its phases. So let's start. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the process in which the nucleus divides to form two nuclei. In other words, the formation of two daughter cells from single mother cell. It is also known as somatic cell division or equational division. The term mitosis was first coined by Fleming in 1882. Different phases in mitosis, which are interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. You can recall these phases by keeping in mind a sentence: I picked many apples today. The first phase, interphase. This phase occurs before mitosis. Chromosomes are copied. Chromosomes appear as thread-like coils, chromatin, at the start. But each chromosome and its copy, that is sister chromosome, change to sister chromatids at the end of the phase. You can also call this phase as DNA synthesis phase. Prophase. Chromosomes start to coil and become more visible. Pairs of centrioles start to separate. The nuclear membrane disappears. Spindle fibers start to form between the centriole pair. Chromosomes move more evenly throughout the nucleus. Then metaphase. Centrioles pair move to opposite end of the cell. Spindle fibers are still attached to the centriole pairs. Chromosomes line up along the midline of the cell and are attached to the spindle fibers. Then anaphase. The pairs of chromatids split at the centromere and move to the opposite ends of the spindle. Now there are twice the number of chromosomes within the cell membrane. Movement of the chromosome towards the opposite ends of the cell membrane is aided by the spindle fibers. Telophase. Nuclear membrane form around the two new sets of the chromosomes. The spindle fibers disappears. Chromosomes start to uncoil, that is chromatin, and become less visible. Cells start to make a groove, that is furrow, in the middle to eventually split into two identical cells as seen here in the diagram. Cytokinesis. The division of material outside of the nucleus. It occurs after telophase. Divides the organelles and other substances in the cytoplasm into roughly two equal halves. Animal cells furrow while plant cells form a cell plate. Daughter cells are genetically identical to the parent. So this was all about mitosis and its phases. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.